And how's it going, folks? It's JB Reviews here again today. Today, I'm gonna unbox this new Samsung Galaxy A70 I got. I ordered this from my phone provider here in Canada, which is Fido, and they sent me this. And I actually just got this about like 5 minutes ago. Yeah, 5 minutes ago, they just delivered this. So let's do an unboxing. So, right off the bat, it's like your typical Samsung box, right? And the phone is here. It's actually a pretty large phone if you guys can see it, right? It's pretty huge. Like I'm currently filming with my current phone, which is the Samsung Galaxy A8. So like I want to do a comparison. Maybe I'll take a picture and then compare it to you in the next vid, like a detailed video. This is just like an unboxing. So as you can see, this is your, I guess like your manuals. It's right here, and the phone itself is right here. So that's the phone itself. Like, yeah. I've been watching videos about the phone. So this phone is actually listed as like the color black phone, but if you look at the back, it's like the color of the rainbow. Look at that. It's pretty cool. So the phone does come with a fast charger right there, and then the cable, which is right here, and it comes with like the little pin to take out your SIM card slot or your SD card slot in the phone. This phone actually comes in with like 128 gigabytes onboard memory, but you can upgrade it, I believe, all the way to 512 gigabytes, which is pretty cool because like my current phone, it's only what 30 gigs like onboard memory, and then I have my like little 8 gig SD card I got like years ago. So this is a major upgrade. Let's see if I can power this up actually. Oh, it's not charged. So I guess I gotta charge it, and I'll see how the camera looks too. Like I heard it's a really nice camera, but we'll see. So again, guys, this is just like the unboxing of it. This is not really like the full in-depth review of the actual phone. So again, this is the Samsung A70. If you guys are interested of getting this, I believe the phone, if you buy it, I think it's like $700 Canadian. I don't know how much. I'm pretty sure you can get it cheaper in Amazon, but again, I got this from my phone provider, and they are nice enough to send me this phone. And it's actually quick. I ordered this last Friday, and it came in today, like 10 minutes ago. So if you're interested about the phone, I'll probably do a full review about it, and I'll post it on my YouTube channel. So if you guys like the unboxing, it's a quick unboxing. If you guys like the unboxing, please hit that like and sub button, and I'll see you guys soon. And again, guys, stay safe, stay home, and have a great day.